Welcome in Radek's workshop. In this episode I would like to make a review of this belt disc sander from Bucktool, model number BD4801. Let's have a look. There is quite a lot of belt disc sanders on the market, which all, by the way, look the same except for colors and the brand name. This one is slightly different. First of all, it has bigger disc. It's 8 inches versus 6'1". Belt size is the same, 4x36. However, this one also has a bit bigger motor, which makes a difference. Also, the construction is different. Sanders, you might know, are more compact than this one. Belt is located above the disc. This one is slightly bigger. Disadvantage of this one is a much harder way of changing the belt. To do it, you have to unscrew this screw and this screw, remove this plastic hood, open this. Also, you have to remove this leg, and only then you can slide the paper out. Speaking about this hood, it's made of ABS plastic. It seems pretty sturdy. But what I dislike about it is that it covers so much of a belt. We are losing so much of a working space here. That's one thing. The other issue with this hood, and actually the biggest one, is that the dust collection port points down, which makes it really difficult to plug the hose to it, unless the sander is standing on the very edge of the table. On the disc side there is no problem, absolutely no issues. Hose fits perfectly to the dust port. So you notice there are two ports for dust collecting, one for the belt part and one for the disc, which causes trouble because usually I just forgot to switch the hose and I end up sanding on the belt and sucking dust from the disc. And for that reason I came up with this device. I plug this part here, which is difficult. This part goes here, and that's where the vac goes. This way I'm sucking dust from both parts at the same time, and it works perfectly. This belt can be in horizontal position, and after unscrewing this screw it can be lifted to the vertical position. Then you have to tighten the screw again. It also comes with the table, which can be mounted here. And the angle of it can be changed between 0 and 45 degrees. There is similar table on the disc side, and this one is mounted with two screws, one of which I broke on this side. This table can be also adjusted between 0 and 45 degrees, as you can see here. And it's pretty important that it stays in the desired angle. That's why I was trying to make sure it's very tightly screwed, and that's how I broke this, because it's just a plastic. And that's my adapter that goes there. So let's test both sanders. I have that more compact model, almost half the price of the Bucktool. 6 inches disc and the same belt. However, this one has 4.3 amps motor versus Bucktool, which has 5 amperes motor. So let's have a look how they perform. So, to summarize this review, do I think it's a perfect tool? No. I wish it will be more compact, I guess. I certainly wish it will be easier to change the belt. And I wish it will be just one dust port collection. However, this tool actually works. Even when I was pressing the wood pretty hard on the belt, it did not stop like the other one. And for that reason, I believe it's worth to pay $240 more or less and get the tool if you are looking for this kind of sander. I think it's not perfect, but it's not a bad deal. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my review helped you if you were looking for a machine like this. Please subscribe and please follow me on Instagram. I present pictures and short videos there where I show furniture and some other wood crafts that I'm making. Thank you very much. Bye.